really is hard to believe that a year ago this weekend we were dealing with, after Helene made landfall over the panhandle of Florida as a Category 4 hurricane, it didn't come to South Carolina, but we sure felt the impacts. And a lot of us, including myself, had to recover at our homes several days after. Well, now we're watching this. This is Tropical Depression 9. This is why we have a weather impact alert in place. The 8 o'clock update, the winds sustained at 35, gusting to 45 miles an hour, moving north-northwest at 7. Bottom line is that it has not come together for the last 2 days, but it is forecasted to, because where it is right now, just south of the Bahamas in the southern chain, and it is now going to get into more open waters. Tropical storm watches and warnings still in effect for the Bahamas and the east coast of Florida. And what we do expect is that by later on today, it'll get up to a 45-mile-an-hour wind gusts, making it Tropical Storm Imelda, and it'll stay as a tropical storm until Tuesday morning. Then it becomes a Category 1 hurricane with 75 miles an hour winds. Well, watch what happens on Tuesday morning. Tuesday into Tuesday night, it starts making a right-hand turn, heading east, still strengthening a little bit as a Category 1, but it is well off of our coast and heading out to sea. That's the good part. The down part is that it's going to be close enough that because of Hurricane Humberto, which is well far away, well, what we're looking at is the rainfall that's going to be associated with Imelda. There is a slight risk for heavy rainfall for tomorrow along and east of I-95 all the way down to the coast, and then just about the rest of the state and all of the Midlands, well, we have a marginal to slight risk for heavy rainfall. The downside is that we've gotten only a little bit of rain, so the ground's pretty hard. Well, it's going to allow it to flood very easily, and then we're going to do it again on Tuesday. Now, the overall scope is that most of the rainfall is going to be along and east of 77, but particularly the eastern third of the Midlands and the state has a better chance of seeing anywhere upwards of 2.5 to 4.5 inches of rainfall. That's where we're watching it very carefully. We're also watching right now, that's fog. The camera is showing that all throughout the Midlands, there's no clouds, it's just low-level fog. Temperatures starting at 65 in Saluda, 68 in Bishopville, it's 70 in Camden and in Sumter. And again, not a lot of activity. It's all on the coast, but that's where things are going to be changing, because as we go throughout the rest of the day, well, the fog will certainly start to lift, but we'll still have a mix of sun and clouds as we go into the afternoon. Not really expecting any rain, but as we go into late tonight and then into tomorrow, there is a possibility overnight and then into tomorrow morning, some of us will start seeing some of the showers and storms associated directly with Imelda when it starts approaching us. So keep that in mind. For this afternoon, high temperature expected mostly in the low to mid 80s, but with the overnight storms in the morning, low temperatures expected in the upper 60s. But again, the weather impact alert is not just for later on overnight tonight and then for tomorrow, but again, Monday and Tuesday, more showers and storms. Highs will be in the low 70s. Then once all that is done, Wednesday, it'll still be windy. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, we'll start seeing a little more sunshine, but high temperatures are going to be staying in the mid to upper 70s. So at least it'll be cooled off once we get through this weather impact alert next few days.